Lift, stow and retrieve a manual wheelchair in less than 90 seconds with a Rooftop Box System. Your wheelchair will be safely stored and transported in the weatherproof box. Once you're ready to leave your car, the system will lower your wheelchair down to you. This makes for a great solution for independent drivers and passengers alike. Our rooftop storage solutions are best complemented by a manual or electric swivel seat to aid your transfer from your wheelchair to the car. For more information about roof stowage, wheelchair storage and other vehicle adaptations, speak to one of our experts by web chat, online inquiry or by phone. Vehicle Adaptations, enabling independence. Mobility in motion.